Good morning, students. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to teach 8th chapter of class 6, and that is adjectives. Okay. First of all, we will know the definition of adjectives. So words that are used to describe a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. Okay. So actually, with the help of adjectives, we can describe a noun or pronoun. Okay, so we will take example and we will try to understand it. First of all, we will for our understanding we will do one exercise. Underline the adjectives in the given stanza. Also identify the nouns they describe. Okay, so with help of these examples we will understand. Okay. Winken, blinken and nod. One night. One is adjective and it is describing a noun, that is night. Okay. Sailed off in a wooden shoe. Wooden is the adjective and this word is describing about noun shoe. Sailed on a river of crystal light. Crystal is a adjective. It is modifying light. Into a sea of dew. Where are you going and what do you wish? The old moon. Now before moon, old is used. Old is telling something about moon. How the moon is? Moon is old. Okay. The old moon asked the three. We have come to fish for the herring fish that live in this beautiful sea. Before sea, beautiful is used. Beautiful is the adjective and this word is describing about the noun, and that is sea. Nets of silver and gold have we, said Winken, Blinken and Nod. These are three friends. They went for fishing in the sea. Okay. So now take a look at the highlighted words in the paragraph. Here is a successful lawyer. So successful is a adjective. Who is quite wealthy. Wealthy is also adjective. She lives in luxurious apartment. Luxurious is a adjective. Okay. With many priceless pieces of sculpture in her modern showing. Modern is adjective. Room. Everyone envies her stylish lifestyle. So lifestyle is an adjective. The 6 highlighted words are all adjectives. 5 of these adjectives, namely successful, wealthy, luxurious, priceless and stylish, have been formed by adding suffixes to different words. Recognizable suffixes may be added to adjectives, nouns and verbs to form other adjectives. Okay, actually how can we form adjective? Rules are given here on this page. Okay, so suffixes may be added to adjectives, nouns and verbs to form other adjectives. Okay, so now some common suffixes are. Suffix means before, we are adding before 2-3 letters before the noun. Okay, full. Before the noun or after the noun. Okay, so plenty. We are adding full at the last of the word, plentiful. Okay, dutiful, beautiful. OUS, marvelous. Marvelous is the adjective. Adventurous, famous. Sketchy, funny, murky. Heroine, academic, artistic. Motionless, fearless, shameless. Feverish, childish, sluggish. Wholly, entirely, fully. Ready, productive. Enjoyable, dependable, avoidable. Troubled, annoyed, amused. woolen, wooden, swollen. Actually, these are the examples how we can form adjectives from noun, verb or adjective with the help of suffixes. Okay. Now, one practice exercise is given here. So one word is given here, and we have to add suitable suffixes to the words in the bracket and complete the sentences. Okay. It was a beautiful day. So beauty, we will remove y and we will add I and ful. It will become beautiful. Beautiful will be an adjective. It was a beautiful day with a somewhat cloudy. So cloud, with cloud we will form cloudy, and that will be an adjective. Arun's boyish, boy will change into boyish, and that will be an adjective. Charm and delightful, delight will change into delightful. Okay. Fever will change into feverish, and sleep will change into sleepy. It's a dangerous, danger will change into dangerous. To cross such a mud will change into muddy. She is an attract will change into attractive. Person with a cheer will change into cheerful. Okay. The queen wore a silken. Silk will change into silken. Gown and an embroidered sandal. Embroidery will change into embroidered. We walk down the crowd. Crowd will change into crowded. Street of Benares, and finally reach is historical ghats. History will change into historical. This is not only a use will change into useful product, but has an artistic. Art will change into artistic. Design too. So my dear students, in this exercise we have seen that how we can form an adjective with given words, how noun can be changed into adjective, how verb can be changed into adjective, and how adjective can be changed into another adjective. Okay. So now there are 6 types of adjectives. Adjectives help us to know more about nouns and pronouns by expressing their qualities. Okay. So there are 6 types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, adjective of number, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective. Okay, so we will take it one by one and read it. So read these sentences. She is a sincere worker. She is a sincere worker. Sincere is an adjective here. He was a brave soldier. Okay. He was a brave soldier. The British Empire was vast. All these 3 words are adjective. Now we will know what kind of adjectives are they. Okay. So they are adjective of quality. Okay. Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality tells us about the quality of a person or thing. So they are describing about soldier. Okay, soldier is a noun. He was a brave soldier. What kind of soldier is he? He was a brave soldier. This word brave is adding something to the meaning of noun, and that is soldier. Okay. Now, so we have read about adjective of quality. Now we have read about adjective of, we will read about adjective of quantity. Okay. He did not eat any bread. I need some money. Okay, the highlighted adjectives tell us about the quantity of something. They are telling quantity, what number bread is there, what amount money is there, some money. Actually, uncountable nouns will come in adjective of quantity, which we cannot count. Okay. Definition is, an adjective of quantity indicates how much of a thing is meant. Okay. We are talking about how much of quantity we need or we meant. Okay. So all these are example of adjective of quantity. Now read these sentences. The box contains 5 pens. Today is the first day of the match. All the pupils in the class were ready to join the club. Actually, these are adjectives, and these are adjectives of number. Okay, an adjective of number states how many person or thing are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. Okay, so actually adjective number is a countable noun. Okay, which we